Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. During this time that we are currently in, I pray that everyone is staying home when possible, staying connected during our social distancing, and encouraging each other to be positive. Now in this video, I will be sharing how I will be setting down or putting down a DIY floor update, and that is a peel and stick tile. And this is the kitchen, my daughter's kitchen in her apartment. This is the before look before I did the transformation of the kitchen back in 2018 or 19 actually. And here's the picture of the floor, that whole roll of linoleum. And I believe this apartment is maybe like in the 1980s. Now this is what the floor looks like after I did the update. I ended up just painting the entire floor gray. I'm using the paint because she wanted an overall change that she can afford, and we had the paint on hand. Now we knew this was just going to be a temporary thing, not a permanent. She did want some kind of peel and stick flooring to lay down. I had something different in my mind, but she purchased this and it's what she wanted, and it turned out to look nice. Now here is the tile that she ordered off of Amazon, and it's a charcoal gray, and it puts me in the mind of the parquet wood flooring back in the day, which I could not stand, but I like this modern take on it. So if you're interested in seeing how we both put this down, this will be her first hand at doing a DIY, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. Now here I have my camera phone on the floor. I've pulled the stove from against the wall so that I can get behind it. We're not going all the way back because she says you won't be able to see that area. So she wanted to save as much tile as possible because we have other rooms we're going to do. So here I'm on the floor and just putting the tile up against the wall. Don't mind the cabinets. Those are going to get painted white. She really wanted this floor down. I did paint it back in 2019, but I didn't get all the way up under here, so we're going to do that. But I'm just laying these pieces so I can go straight across and not have to do so much cutting. So that's what you're seeing now. The stove is pulled out, and I'm just laying the pieces of tile across that the stove will be sitting on. Here's the kitchen with the floor completed, and this is the marble contact paper. This is covered with marble contact paper, and I will leave a link to in the description box below of the video showing the before and after when I did her kitchen. But she loves the contrast of this wood look with the parquet flooring style, the crisscrossing of the wood with the marble contact paper, and it came out so good. We could not move the refrigerator, so I was able to open the refrigerator door and just do the same thing that I did around the perimeter of the walls. Just cut it to fit it up under there. But all in all, she loved it. We did her bathroom, her daughter's bathroom, and her little entryway area. I'll put a video up for that once we get her floors and stuff, not her floors, but her walls painted in her bathroom. But she loved the way it came out, and it was very easy and very quick. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.